last class, I have explained you about ear carries sound. So how you will know that ear carries sound? When your mother call you or your friend, when your mother call you or your friend speaking to you, because when sound is created. Speaking to you because why? When sound is created, it vibrates the molecules of air and the sound reaches your ears, and that sound reaches to your what? Ears. Okay? Sound cannot be travel in vacuum. You also know that sound cannot be travel in vacuum. So today we will learn about air is needed for burning. Air is needed for burning. So there can be no fire without air. Without air you can't burn a fire. So there can't be a fire without air. Air is needed for burning fire. How you know that? You must have been seen a popcorn server fanning the burning pieces of coal. He does so to increase the air supply. Why he do like that? To increase the air supply. Okay. Thereby making the piece of coal to burn more. Making the piece of coal to burn more. Okay, it is clear to you all what you have seen today. Today you have seen that the air is needed for burning. The air is needed for what? Burning. There can be no fire without air. There can be no fire without air. So students, you have seen that popcorn, those who are serving, what they are doing? Popcorn server fanning the burning piece of coal. Okay? Burning piece of coal. He does so. Why he does like that? He does so, yes, to increase the air supply. Why he has done? To increase the air supply. Thereby making the piece of coal to burn more. Making the piece of coal to burn more. Okay student, so you can do one activity that here is needed for burning. 2 candles you will take. What you will do? You will take 2 candles and 1 candle you will keep it like this way, and other candle you will cover with the burning candle too. You will take. Okay. So what you will do? You will take a 2 candle, fix them in the table. Okay. First you will take 2 candle and you will fix them in the table. Burn their wing with a matchstick. You will burn that candle with a matchstick. Burn the wicks with the matchstick. After that what you will do? Cover one of them with a glass jar. So 1 candle you will cover with a glass jar. What you will observe student? You will observe the flame get extinguished after a few seconds. Flame get extinguished after a few seconds. This happens. Why this happens? This happens when the air in the jar get consumed. Air in the jar get consumed. The candle left in the open keeps burning because it gets a constant supply of air. And that candle, when it's kept outside, it will keep on burning. Why? Because that candle is getting sufficient or constant supply of air. Okay, clear to you all? So what you will do, that activity, one activity you can do to see that air is needed for burning. What you will do, you will take two candle you will place in the table, okay, and after that you will burn that two candle and one candle you will cover with the glass. That candle will burn till air is there inside the glass. After that it will not burn, it will extinguish. So students, what you have seen, the candle that is outside, which candle is not covered, it will goes on burning. Why? Because that candle which is outside, which we have not covered and we have kept that candle get constant of supplying of air. Okay, so it is clear to you all that air needs for burning. Okay students, so what you have learned today? Today you have learned that air needs for burning. It is clear to you all. Next topic is air exert pressure. Air exerts pressure. Air exert pressure in all direction. This air exert pressure in all direction. You can empty juice from tractor pack due to air pressure. If you make a single cut on one side of the pack, the juice flows slowly. But if you make another cut on the opposite side of the pack, the juice flow out faster. Yes, because air entered the pack from one side and pushes the juice out from the other side. What you have seen here? That air exert pressure. Air also needed pressure. So how you will do this one? That air exert pressure in all direction. You can empty juice from a Tetra Pak due to air pressure. You can empty juice from the Tetra Pak. How? Due to air pressure. Okay. If you make a single cut on one side of a pack, the juice flows slowly. What happens? The juice flows slowly. But if you make another cut on the opposite side of the pack, the juice flow out faster. What happened that time? The juice flow out faster. Why, students, you know? Because air entered the Tetra Pak from one side and pushes the juice out from other side. So you can do one experiment to see that air exert pressure. What you will do, student? Take a 2 glass. You will take a 2 glass and fill it top with water. You will fill that glass top with water. Place a stiff card on a paper over the mouth of the glass. Place one hand one of the paper and turn the glass with water upside down. Slowly remove your hand from under the what? Under the paper. You will observe that the card does not fall. What you will observe? The card does not fall. Why? This is because ear exert pressure. This is because ear exert pressure. What you will do to see that ear exert pressure? Students, you will take 2 glass. Activity you can do. 2 glass and you fill that 2 glass with water. Yes, and after that you take a cover, 1 board, cardboard and cover, 2 cardboard and you cover that glass. 1 glass you take and you turn it, okay? After that slowly you take out that glass and put in your hand, and slowly you take out your hand from that side. You will see that the glass which we have put our hand inside that boat, we will see that the boat will not fall. How? Because this proves that ear exert pressure. Okay, student, it is clear to you all? So what you have learned today? Today you have learned that ear is needed for burning and ear exert pressure. So I have given you example and I have shown you 2 activity. I have explained you 2 activity. So with that it is clear to you all that ear is needed for burning and ear exert pressure. Okay student, today this much only. Next day again we will continue with other topic. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.